Okay, does your shower head look like this? It's got so much lime buildup and it barely will open and close anymore. This was a great one when I got it, but then when I realized it had limed up, this part's plastic, so you can't put it in vinegar or anything or it just fall all apart. So I said, hey, we've got a great lineup of shower heads. I'm gonna put a new one in. So you know what happened? I couldn't get it off. Most of the time, people know better than to put tape around the threads, because what happens after a couple of years, they just melt into this and you cannot move it. I didn't know what I was gonna do. I took a hammer to it. You had to be real careful. I didn't want to break the pipe. The things I do for you. Okay, so PB Blaster. I thought,